Welcome to Biangscape! Today, join me as I hike my mother mountain, Mount Tarak, for the second time. It's a major hike with 4/9 difficulty. Nag 2-day hike kami dito, Saturday to Sunday. Around 8 AM, naka-ready na ako and hinihintay ko na lang yung mga kasama ko. And before 9 AM, nakaalis na kami on the way to Mariveles. Nasa 1 hour din yung biyahe. Nakarating kami sa Alas Asin, Mariveles at 10 AM. We just waited sa iba pa naming kasama and we head straight to Barangay Alas Asin to office. Akala namin here na kami magi-start because last time nilakad namin from here hanggang sa mismong trail, but this time pinayagan kaming idiretso yung sasakyan. 10:55 AM nakarating kami and then start na kaming mag-hike. Nagulat ako kasi nagbago yung trail, meron palang construction, nagtanggal sila ng mga puno and sobrang putik ng trail. Sobrang lambot din ng lupa kaya natagalan kami sa part na to because we have to make sure na yung aapakan namin is hindi malambot kasi lulubog talaga yung paa namin. And finally, after 1 hour nakarating na kami sa maayos na trail, nag-rest lang kami saglit. Thankfully, maganda yung weather, hindi masyadong maulan, and ang dami rin namin nadaanan na mini waterfall, ang gaganda. So we took some pictures, and then nung malapit na kami sa campsite, which is sa Papaya River, biglang umambon pero hindi naman lumakas. At 2:26 PM, we reached the campsite. Kami lang yung tao, pero marami rin kaming nakasalubong na nag-day hike. Ang lakas ng agos ng water sa river. Last year kasi May, sobrang konti lang ng water, pero rainy season kasi ngayon. We pitch our tent na, nagpatulong lang kami sa tito ni Lois, then I changed into sleepers, fix our things inside the tent. At 2:54 PM, we ate our lunch. I had burger steak from Jollibee. After eating, nag-rest kami while enjoying the view. Then at 3:39 PM, we decided na maligo na sa river, but before we swim, we took some videos and pictures muna. Ang lakas talaga ng agos ng water kasi natatangay talaga kami, but super refreshing, ang lamig ng water, and we actually took a nap sa river. At 5 PM, nagpalit na kami ng clothes and then nagmerienda kami ng spaghetti na niluto ni Kuya Lester. Around 7:30 PM, nag-dinner na kami and after that, natulog na kami. And for the second day, Sunday, 6:23 AM, gising na kami, brushed my teeth and did some touch-ups. And this is the best thing. I had my coffee in front of the beautiful river. We ate our breakfast, nag-spaghetti lang ako and then umulan din at that time pero saglit lang naman. At 10:40 AM, nag-start na kaming bumaba, wala nang ulan yan and actually umaaraw na. May na-encounter din kaming limatik dito pero I know na pag rainy season lang naman may ganyan. Super dulas ng trail pababa, medyo natagalan kami sa part na yon. Nakalimutan ko palang sabihin na hindi kami nakapag-summit kasi we decided not to na kasi madulas na rin. And finally, at 1:30 PM, natapos na yung hike. This was still a fun and meaningful climb for me. Babalikan at babalikan ko talaga ang Mount Tarak. So yeah, see you next Biangscape.